everybody, and welcome to another episode of Calasar Tech. Today we're going to return to Excel, and we're going to go over a couple different things. We're going to go over Countif and how to create borders. So we're going to start with borders. So we have all of our data here. We're going to go with our president's data. And we want to put a nice thick border around it, and then we want to kind of put little borders in there to separate the columns and the rows. So let's go ahead and do that. So to do that, we're going to hit Control A. If you're on a Mac, it's Command A. And then you're going to right click or control click on that space and go down to Format Cells. See, at the Format Cells, you're going to go to Border. You have several different options up there, but you're going to want to go to Border. And for the outline, we want a thick border. So we're going to click on this one here so it gets nice and thick. And there we go. Look at that. Now in between, we want a thinner border. So we're going to click on this one right here. Click on Inside. And there we go. We're good. We've got our box and our little boxes. Now we can also, if we wanted to add strike-throughs and so forth, we can get rid of lines, put them back, whatever we choose to do. But we're going to stick with this because this is what we want. And then we hit OK. And now we've got our data that has a border. Well, now we want to know how many presidents have served just one term. So to find that out, we're going to use the Countif. Now we could go through and go 1, 2, 3. No, we're going to cheat because we're lazy. So we're going to count if, open the box, click on the last president, and then scroll all the way up to the first president. Then you see where it says E46, go up there, put a comma, a space, and see where it reads criteria. Our criteria here is one term. So we put one for one term. We close it, we hit return. 24 presidents have served one term. Now we want to know about two-term presidents. It's the same thing, equals sum if, oops, sorry, wrong one, count if, open it, go all the way up, there we go, comma, 2, close it, return. Let's make sure we did that first one right, and we did good. Now we want to know four-term presidents. Now we know the answer here. We know it's 1, but we're going to do this just to verify that our formula is correct, that we're choosing the correct formula for this. So equals count if, click on the last one, go all the way up, and then we're going to put our comma, space 4, close it, turn. There we go. 1 4-term president. Now that's how you go about counting the cells and deciding how many first-term presidents, how many second-term presidents, and you can use that across the board if you need to count information in an Excel spreadsheet. Well, I hope you enjoyed this podcast. Please like, please subscribe, and I don't know, that Clemson game, it was so close. It's so heartbreaking. We should have won it. They won it. Congrats to them. And there's always next year because Justin Fields will be back, and that defense is solid, and that offense is just going to be unbelievable. Have a great day.